Alright, what's up guys? Dawson here with the 05 STI. I have the two electricians in here working on my climate control.
90% of the time.
We're doing a light mod that changes the factory color on the climate control from green to red. And then we're also throwing in a JDM red hazard button as well. And then we'll do more stuff today for you guys.
God, that's so JDM.
Okay, we're actually.
Oh my God, this is more JDM than my 90.
Oh my God, look at that flipping spring action. Let me do it. I want to push the button.
Okay, we're not actually posting this, right? Like, this is gonna be. I wouldn't even watch this.
I wouldn't even watch it.
Alright guys, next on the Subi mod list is this strafe design diffuser that we're about to throw on.
Is that right?
Brendan's under the car again. Throwing it on the first side right now. So these come with little wall nuts that expand.
You wanna give me a.
Like if you had a wide body, like on a Wade's 350Z, he has these placed in with his Downstar hardware. So these work the same way. Okay. Get in there, mate.
I'm not gonna lie, this video is not gonna be that good.
No, it should not.
We should probably just stop recording until we get our bearings and then.
Well, it's better to put up some content than no content.
That's true. How about we do when I fix my car and then you fix your car? Well, either one need to fix it.
Alright, now that we're done working on the Subaru, we're going to work on this guy. Phil wants to focus. But yeah, I have some KTS braces for the front subframe and the rear subframe, so we're going to throw those on. I've been holding on to them about, I don't know, since 2016. Just been too lazy to throw them on, but now I have the chance, so I'm going to take it. I need a hammer so they can break this loose.
On it. Hammer, hammer, hammer. Got it.
That's probably not gonna.
Yeah, this one was here the whole time. Did it work?
No.
Yeah, this one. Or we have an impact.
Oh, the impact won't fit.
Okay.
working for me. Bye. I think it's working. So I'm just removing the rear subframe mount bolt or nut so we can put the rear or KTS reinforcement bar. And Japanese rust is bad rust.
Well, it's working.
Easy.
Money. Okay, bring me over the first brace.
There you go.
Now the question is, does it go on like this or like that?
I had to pull off my sway bar because it was interfering with putting the brace up. So the sway bar's off now and I'm installing the rear brace.
The rear brace is installed. Just gotta throw the sway bar back up now, and then we'll move on to the other ones. All right. So what does this rear brace do?
So basically, JZXs have this awesome ability to crack subframes, and this reduces the stress on the actual subframe by displacing each like high stress point to the bars. So it reduces the chance of cracking subframes, which I'm sure mine's already cracked. I just don't want to pull it and find out. But this should help in theory if it is. But
So, of the sway brace. It looks really good, but it sucks because you can only see the mounts from back here. But Kenner was saying how JZX dudes cut out the spare wheel, and they just put a plate over it so you could see all the extra suspension bits underneath, which would be pretty sick.
alright, so now I'm putting the subframe, the subframe to the differential mount. So it'll go from the differential right here, this mounting point, to this traction arm, or yeah, I guess it'd be a camber arm / traction arm mounting point right here, where the socket's at.
So now we're throwing on the brace, got the bolts off.
I don't know how this one lines up. Oh, that's why. This is in the way. Do what?
New front tires, I just want to go out and slide. I haven't had new front tires on that car in forever.
Then go slide then, mate.
Yeah, the problem is I need rear tires.
Yeah, that's a bit of an issue.
See what I did, Dustin?
Alright, so Kiernan stripped out a bolt, so we're going to our local parts dealer, Brendan, and let's just try to see if we can find something.
I accumulated a lot of stuff while building my S chassis. Like all these right here. Maybe this one even. Or is that that's eccentric? Well, the washer is.
Size of the nut, you know? We can use that, that's fine.
The eccentric will fit in there?
Yeah. Well, it's the back side. You don't need to put it on the inside.
Okay, I don't understand what you're saying, so I'm just gonna hand you this.
Alright guys, we got these two braces in. We may have time to install the rest of them, but They're in.
Alright, so we're gonna call it a night. We got 2 sets of the braces on, but we're gonna try to hit it up tomorrow or later this week because we're just running out of time and it's dark. My wife wants to kill me. So we'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, it's a new day. Actually, it's been what, 3 days now? I forgot, the Thursday. So just got off of work. It's super early in the morning. So we're gonna finish the install on the braces and then pretty much gonna call it a day unless something else comes up. Pretty tired, so I wanna get some sleep at some point. So the car's in the air. We're gonna be installing this brace right over here. It's what they call the KTS triangle brace. From what I've been told, it's probably one of the best braces you can put on a JZX. I mean, other than a roll cage, but whether it's the KTS or Cusco, or if you get some OG TRD triangle brace, they pretty much all work the same. So let's get to it. Alright, just got the KTS triangle brace installed. Everything's nice and tight. I'm gonna see how ground clearance is, because as you can see down here, it has those 2 little posts hanging down just past the frame rail. So I wanted to see if how close it's actually going to be towards the ground. Clearance looks fine. I have pretty high spring rates in the front, so I don't think I'm gonna have any problem with clearance for those posts. But I'm gonna throw the bumper back on, take it for a drive. My test drive is probably my drive home, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. Probably throw it around a little bit and see how it feels. Drove about 20 minutes. I can definitely feel a difference in the front part of the car. It feels more responsive. Gives me more feedback when I give direct input. I can't say it's too drastic of a feel, but also I'm not driving super aggressive. It's just driving on regular roads. So I would really have to push the car on like a track day or something, or some closed streets, and really see how it feels. But so far it feels pretty solid. That's gonna conclude today's video. If you guys like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. We'll have a video up every Friday. That's the plan, at least. And we'll see you around.